Stop buying biscuits. You can make soft butter ones at home in a minute. This homemade butter biscuit melts in your mouth. Watch this. This is what homemade success looks like. Simple ingredients, big results. When you bake with care, your food speaks for itself. So I have my butter here. This is half cup of sugar, 230 grams of butter. Cream it slow, cream it proud. This is how champions bake biscuits. Smooth butter, smooth result. Let's cream it gently. This is where the magic starts. Soft hands, patience, and love. That is the secret to a perfect biscuit. Every stir is building flavor. Every mix is building texture. Good baking isn't rushed, it's crafted. So take your time. These biscuits are going to thank you for it. Hark, my soul, angelic songs are swelling. Oh, helped green fields and oceans wave beat shore. How sweet the truth, those blessed strains are telling of that new life when sin shall be no more.
For 15 minutes before I will roll and cut it. So my
Angels of Jesus, angels of light, singing to welcome the pilgrims of the night.
enjoy the vibes. So now I'm rolling it and cut. Let me praise this biscuit. These biscuits are about to turn golden, buttery, and irresistible. The smell alone could wake up the whole house. Homemade biscuits have a magic store biscuits can never match. So watch how beautiful they will rise. Soft, gentle, perfect. This is comfort food. This is the kind of snack that brings people to the kitchen asking, is it ready yet? Aye! Oh, look at the color. Golden like sunshine, crispy edges, soft center. These biscuits are not just baked, they are crafted. Every bite smells, every bite melts in your mouth like butter. We are still cutting it too. This is what homemade success looks like. Simple ingredients, big results. When you bake with care, your food speaks for itself. Fresh, warm, soft biscuits. This is love you can taste. Anyone can bake, but baking with heart makes it unforgettable. And here they are, perfect, proud, and ready to enjoy. Roll it smooth, cut it proud. This is where biscuits get their personality. Every shape tells a story. Some are perfect, some are funny, but all of them are made with love. That is the beauty of a homemade baking. Wanana ingwa shefo kotono ingwa damu won eraza. Don't worry about perfection. The oven doesn't judge, it rewards effort. These biscuits are about to puff up, turn golden, and make these kitchens smell like happiness. Hey, hey. And now into the oven they go. This is the transformation stage from soft dough to golden greatness. The oven is not just heat, it's where patience turns into perfection. Close the door gently. Greatness is baking
Leftover
inside.
dough. That is not a mistake. That's a bonus round.
Extra dough means extra happiness. In this kitchen, nothing is wasted. It just becomes more biscuit. This dough is refusing to end the party. It's saying, one more batch, please. And honestly, who am I to argue with biscuit? Leftover dough is proof that biscuit wants siblings. The dough said, I am not done being delicious yet.
While this bakes, remember this, growth takes time. Just like this oven is turning simple dough into something beautiful, life is shaping you into something amazing. Be patient. Your moment is rising. Talent grows when you stop doubting and start doing. Show your work. Let your effort make noise. The name is Bidayana Waka Doings. Bidayana Waka Vibes on YouTube. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, dough. Hello, legend. These biscuits are entering the oven as rookies and coming out as champions. Bake well, my little stars. The spotlight is waiting. You see the doings. It came out, great. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. Look at that golden color, soft, proud, and perfectly baked. This is the reward for patience. Warm biscuit, homemade, made with care. You can't buy this feeling in any store. Listen to that soft crust. See that gentle shine. This biscuit didn't just bake, they succeeded. This is homemade victory. These biscuits came out looking like they paid rent here, confident and comfortable. Hey, if smell had a trophy, this kitchen just won first place. The doings. Fresh, warm, perfect. That's how homemade happiness looks like. And now we plate because good biscuits deserve a grand entrance. Look at how life is like this dough in my hands, soft and at first messy sometimes, but full of potential. When you create depends on how much patience and belief you put into it. Nobody is born perfect. We become better by doing, trying, failing, and trying again. Every biscuit I shape reminds me that I can shape my future too. Small actions every day build something beautiful over time. You don't need a big stage to show your talent. Start where you are. With what you have, greatness grows in ordinary kitchen. When you show what you can do, you give others courage to show theirs. Your work speaks before you do. Your effort introduces you before your name does the doings. Never hide your skills. The world cannot celebrate what it cannot see. Even simple things, like baking biscuits are proof that you are capable of creating joy. And if you can create joy in a kitchen, imagine what you can create in life.
Just like this bake came out beautiful, your hard work will always rise. Stay patient, stay faithful. Your time is coming. I love you all. Keep watching and God bless you.